now it's snowing. Are you surprised? I'm not. I mean, so far the views are pretty spectacular. Sometimes I wonder how different life would have been if I had grown up in the era of women's CrossFit bodies and, you know, slim, thick, hashtag body positivity. Nowadays with social media, I can't imagine it's much easier growing up. I mean, I don't think many of us emerged from our youth without some kind of disordered eating, let alone an eating disorder. That's pretty. Not a bad day to have a good day. Oh my God. That is a glacier. Well, I guess the whole point to my ramble on this hike was size 0 me would never have made it up here. I would never have been able to see this. What are you? It's a little windier than expected. That's why I packed so many layers. I've got my shell, my hat, glovies, there's mitts in my backpack, an extra pair of actual pants. But I mean, if you're not warm, you're not having a good time. But I'm warm, so we're just hanging out. As lovely as the weather is, I think it's time to go down. Well, we made it back all in one piece. It's still snowing up top, but raining down here. So this hike is normally 5 kilometers, but with the little scrambly bit we did up to the peak, it was 11. And it took us 5 hours because I like to make videos and take pictures. Thanks for joining me. Strong.